How to fix Google Play error code OR-HDT-16. So just a few things you can put in mind if this happens to you, since this is usually going to be a payment or card verification issue. Now, Google's payment help lists OR-HDT-16 under errors where you may need to wait or correct card info or try a different card. So the first thing you can do is to wait. So wait 48 hours. Google support guidance says that this is done so that you can try the payment again later on, and probably gonna be one of your only options. Now the next thing you can do is to check your card. CVV, the billing name, the billing address are all correct, nothing wrong. And of course, make sure you do have enough funds inside your card. But other than that, you can try another payment method. So try adding a different card using PayPal maybe, or carrier billing, or even Google Play Balance if that is available for you. You can also go ahead and try updating your payment profile. You can go to the Google Payment Center and check if your profile needs verification or has any alerts. And finally, one of the last things you can try is to contact Google support. If it does still fail later after 48 hours and another payment method does not work, contact Google and mention the OR-HDT-16. Since it's going to be possible that your Google or bank is flagged the transaction for security, only waiting, or using another payment method, or even contacting support will be one of the only options that could possibly fix it. But those are a few things you can put in mind if this is happening. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.